Alexa whatever I want my Alexa to do, she will do it. Alexa, play YouTube. Alexa, play YouTube videos. So these are the things that come up on my YouTube. Anything I would like to use or look at, music videos, cooking videos, and all that other good stuff. So I like my new addition. And then I have one in my room. It's a round one, and that's hooked up to my cameras and things. And I set it up in here. That's how big it is. And it do have a camera at the top. So like I could put 4 and 5 people on my screen and talk to them. I have to put my contact numbers in here to call whoever I wanted to call. And you know, it do a lot of things with the weather going to be. Alexa, what is the weather going to be like today? In Hayward, it's 77 degrees Fahrenheit with clear. Okay, hold on. Alexa, turn up. Alexa, what's the weather going to be like today? In Hayward, it's 77 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun. Today's forecast calls for more of the same, with a high of 79 degrees and a low of 57 degrees. Have a good afternoon. Now that's what I love about her. Alexa, tell me a joke. Here's what I found. Tell me a joke. Alexa, can you tell me a joke? Here's what I found. She's showing me what she found. I'm not looking for what she found. Well, I have one of these right here in my room. Uh-oh. I made a mistake and pushed it. Okay.
Hey Google, what's my name?
Your name is Paul.
Yeah, he's talking about Google and I'm talking about Alexa. But all right, let's walk in my bedroom. You will see my other, and this one is on. This is my other Alexa. Alexa, Alexa, tell me a joke.
What did the number 0 say to 8? Nice belt.
Alexa, turn music off. Now, as I talk to one, the other one come on because the other one hear me what I'm saying. So that's something I have to like push the door up and say something to one or the other because both of them is the same. Alexa, how hot is going to be today? What is the weather going to be today?
Today, expect a high of 79 degrees Fahrenheit.
Well, you can like and share my short little video talking about my new friends in the house. And I have other things too connected to it. Let's go see them. So when you look up here, I have a camera here. Okay. And it shows all this right here. All this right here. And then if you walk out here, I'm finna clean up. So, and I am looking at YouTube over here. And if you look at out here, I have one on the front door. So these are Ring doorbells. And then I have one on the outside of my house. This is the front of my grass. This is the in the front of the grass right here. And if you look up here, I have a camera right there. So that is what the things I use for my security. We have other securities up there. If you can see, we got security all over the building. I have it at the tip top up here, right here, and we have some way in the back, and you can see we got security right there, and we got security right up in here. So on both ends you can see coming in or coming out. So you have security, and I have my own security. And it show, that's my parking lot right there where that cone is. It say handicaps only and no parking, or you get a toll. That's my parking space. So that camera right there shows all that. Okay? And it shows all this. This camera right here shows all that. Whatever's coming up my stairs or dropping my packages off. So when you walk back in, I have that. And that's already pointing on me right now as I'm coming in the door. So I'm going to stop this film, and you can like and share. You can like and share and subscribe to my channel of looking at my new Alexas. And that's my new one. And I put it in my kitchen. It was sitting in my bedroom. So you can like and share and subscribe to my channel. I do show cooking. Like today I am cooking some fish, and that's gonna be my lunch for today. And I do cooking channels, cleaning channels, and the way I wake up, anything what's on my mind, that's what I do on my channel. So you can like and share and subscribe to my channel. Have a beautiful day.